Hi friends. Uh, Actually, from our material, the problems have been completed. Today, what I am doing is that I want to take two problems. With that, I want to finish off the BRS chapter. The cash book of Mr. Gadwadwala shows 8,36,400. The name itself is suggesting that he is a confusing master. Gadwad means he makes, because of his confusion, he'll be making some mistakes. Um, Cash book of Mr. Gadbarwal shows 8,36,400 as the balance at bank as on 31st December 2017. But you find that it does not agree with the balance as per the passbook. On scrutiny, you find the following discrepancies. Okay, the discrepancy means difference. Now he is saying, he hasn't said anything. Yeah, prepare reconciliation statement. That's it. Now to explain the concept, is closing books on 31st December. To explain the concept, try to understand. This is important. If the books are not closed on 31st December 17, is simply prepare BRS. If books are closed on this, I have given in the last class notes. If the books are closed on 31st December, first you should go for adjusted cash book, then you should go for BRS. That is what I am writing here. This is very important. Above problem, says two things. The books are not closed. Thirty-first December. Then BRS can be prepared. Without adjusting cash book. Sir, in the examination, how to know, sir? If they are not asking you to adjust cash book, you do BRS. If balance are not closed on 31st December, then BRS can be prepared without adjusting the cash book. Sometimes they may be giving you this problem because this problem is from study material, no? If the balance books are closed, closed on 31st December, then first prepare adjusted cash book, then BRS is to be prepared. This I have already explained. So how you'll be knowing, sir, in the examination? In the examination, he says that books are closed on 31st December. Better you prepare which one? BRS with adjusted cash book. Clear to all of you? BRS with adjusted cash book. First you should go for adjusted cash book, then you should go for BRS. Now, if the books are to be closed on 31st December, then adjusted cash book will be prepared as given below. This you all are aware. I think this I am not explaining. I'm not explaining this one. Which one? Prepare reconciliation statement. If the books are not closed, this you can do it. Books are not closed, you can do it. Huh? So only I'll be explaining how to prepare adjusted cash book. Okay, let me start with this. Since I have taken study material, I can't write anything on this screen. If ever is needed, I'll be taking you to blank sheet. On 15 December 2017, the payment side of cash book was undercast by 10,000. See what he has done. Payment side of cash book is undercast means you should write 10,000 on the credit side of cash book. So for that, what is that he has done? First, 8,36,400 has been given. You can see first Gadbarwala shows a cash balance of 8,36,400. This 8,36,400 he has debited. Then this is payment side of cash book was undercast means it is error, no? When you are preparing adjusted cash book, I have told you two things you should remember. Point number one is omissions in cash book. Point number two is errors in cash book. This is error, no? Payment side of cash book was undercast means, so payment side is showing less. So you should write 10,000 rupees on the payment side. This is what has been done by wrong casting 10,000. That's it. So this is second. The first one is adjusted cash book item. A check for rupees 1,31,000 issued on 25th December was not taken in the bank column. This is important. A check of 1,31,000 issued on 25th December was not taken in bank column means issued means payment, no? Payment made not entered in the bank column. So bank column means cash book credit side they have not written. So now you should write by checks not entered how much 1,31,000. Clear to all of you? This is an omission. Omission in cash book, error in cash book is to be adjusted. It is as good as omission in cash book only. Check issued but they have not entered. One deposit 1,50,000 was recorded in the cash book as if there is no bank column therein. One deposit 1,50,000 was recorded in cash book as if there is no bank column therein means when you deposit check you should make in cash book but was recorded in the cash book as if there is no bank column in therein means in 3-column cash book apart from discount column 2 main columns. One you are having cash column, other one you are having bank column. Is indirectly giving a hint as if there is no bank column you have made entry Mr. Cashier. It means he has entered in the cash column. Please, if you want, you can make a note for third one. One deposit of 1,50,000 was recorded in the cash book as if there is no bank column therein means in brackets you can make a note. I'll dictate. Brackets you can make a note or take a sheet, a notebook, there you can make a note. It means instead of entering in bank column, it has been entered in cash column. Instead of entering in bank column, it has been entered in cash column. Now this particular adjusted cash book is not about cash column. This is about bank column. So in bank column which has not been recorded, 1,50,000 deposit is not recorded. Is it not an error in cash book? Yes, it is error of cash book. How to rectify? This 1,50,000 rupees will be taken to debit side of bank column. So deposited, not recorded. Clear to all of you? Then this is very important one. On 18th December 2017, the debit balance of rupees 15,260 as on the previous day was brought forward as credit balance. Let me explain this. 15,260 debit balance of previous day brought forward as a credit balance. What will happen? I'll explain. So this is cash book. Why balance carry down 15,000 to Then you should write 2 balance brought down. No, this is correct. This is cash book bank column, correct. But what they have done, cash book bank column, this is what is their mistake they have done. Mistake, wrong. Buy balance carry down 15,260. So instead of writing carry down here, they have written balance brought down 15,260. The simple words. Instead of writing debit side, they have written on the credit side. Instead of writing on the debit side, they have written on the credit side. What will happen? Instead of writing debit side, if you are writing payment side, payment is more means here I am writing because of this mistake. Because of this mistake, payment side is more. Payment side is more. When payment side is more, cash balance will be less. This is what has. So how to rectify this? So this 15,260 I must cancel. Then this 15,260 will be cancel. Correct amount. How much I would write? 15,260. That means this is very important in rectification. Instead of writing on one side, if you are writing other side, to cancel that, it is having double effect. So to cancel this, here I have written. So whenever instead of writing on the debit side, you are writing on the credit side. This is for cancellation. The other one is for rectification. That means, come on, you should debit 15,260 plus 15,260. 15,260 plus 15,260. How much it should be? 30,520 should be debited. So 115,260 for cancellation, another 15,260 for rectification. That means, instead of writing on the debit side, if you are writing on the credit side, one is for cancellation, other one is for rectification. So how much is to be debited? 30,520 is to be debited. You can see here in adjusted cash book, to error of wrong posting, how much they have debited? 30,520. So far, what are the problems you have seen, transaction we have seen? They all are errors relating to cash book or omissions relating to cash book. Next, of the total checks amounting to 11,514 drawn in the last week of December, checks aggregating 7,815 were encashed in December. This is BRS. Checks drawn means check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment means no need to do any adjustment in cash book. It will go to BRS. The next one. Dividend of 25,000 collected by the bank and subscription 1,000 paid by it were not recorded in the cash book. These two are called as omissions in cash book. Dividend collected by the bank, subscription paid. Not recorded means these two will be taken to cash book. So one is on the debit side, other one is on the credit side. You can see 25,000 dividend collected by the bank in adjusted cash book, and by subscription 1,000. We have discussed last class omissions in cash book. Errors in cash book are to be adjusted to adjusted cash book. One outgoing check of 3,50,000 was recorded twice in the cash book. Outgoing means issued. Issued check recorded twice means payment side is showing more. How to rectify? It should be debited. Where it should be debited? Debit side of cash book. To check recorded twice. So They have written on the credit side twice to rectify that. One time it should be debited, so that nullified mistake will be nullified. Okay, I think all these things we have learned. So buy balance carried on. Now balance as per cash book corrected 12,49,920. Now we are having only one item that is related to reconciliation. Out of the checks amounting to 11,514 drawn means issued last week, checks aggregating 7,815 were encashed in December. Checks presented encashed. What is not encashed? 11,514 minus 7,815. Come on, the moment you issue checks, what happened? Cash book balance is less. Since it is favorable, passbook is more. Less to more. It is to be added. How much is to be added? 3,699. 12,53,699 is the correct answer. So this is how. First you prepare adjusted cash book, then go for BRS. If books are closed on 31st December, then adjusted cash book balance will appear. They may be asking question, which balance will be taken to balance sheet? Adjusted cash book balance will be taken to balance sheet on the asset side. And this you can work out. If the books are not closed, the same problem they have done like a normal reconciliation without adjusting the cash book. What is the answer you got? 12,53,619. No, the same answer you are also getting. That means conclusion is either you prepare adjusted cash book, then prepare BRS, or without adjusting cash book BRS, then answer will be the same. But whenever specific instruction is given that you have to prepare adjusted cash book then BRS, then follow that. Or one more hint they maybe give you, like here Gadbadwala assuming closing books on 31st December, that is why they went for adjusted cash book, then they went for BRS. Okay, remaining part that you can work out. Now the last one, when list of causes are not given, that is what I am taking. With this we can finish off the syllabus of BRS. The following are cash book, bank column and passbook of Jain for the months of March 17, April 2017. The most important thing is cash book is pertaining to previous month, passbook is pertaining to this month. So here I wish to give a note. When list of causes are not given, when reasons are not given. Causes means reason. Like checks issued but not presented, check deposited but not credited. When list of costs are not given, reasons ascertain the causes. Receipt side of cash book with and vice versa means credit payment side of cash book with debit side of passbook. Now in this problem, cash book for March month is given, so I think this is problem. Generally when information is provided, generally cash book and passbook Generally, cash book and passbook for the same period is given. But in this problem, cash book for March month is given and passbook for month of April. Then to do BRS, you start then to do BRS, you start with closing balance of March month cash book or opening balance of April month of passbook. You'll be getting the same answer. If you can start with cash book of March month or passbook of April. I think this is important. So let us see. Cash book for which month has been given? March month. Passbook for April. That means when you start the problem with 3,13,000, you should end up with 3,65,000. Or when you start with 3,65,000, you should end up with 3,13,000. Okay, I told you compare with the receipt side. Now one thing I want to tell you. The receipt side is which month? March. Here receipt side is which month? Passbook April. You can see receipt side means this. This is called as running form of balance. Now, what is that you should do, sir? Now, the thing is that if these items, suppose 3 lakhs amount collected through checks entered in cash book, or amount collected from Ram, amount collected from Singhal, amount collected from Goyal, amount collected from Patil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 receipts are appearing in the passbook April. It means these items were deposited in cash book in bank in the month of March, but entered but record in the month of April. That is what you should look. That means when you are comparing March month receipts with April month receipts of passbook, if March month receipts are appearing in April month of passbook, then you shall assume that checks deposited but not credited. Are you following? What is that you shall assume? Checks deposited but not credited. Now let us look at sales. The sales 3 lakhs is here or not? Deposit side. We don't have 3 lakhs. It means this 3 lakhs amount, this 3 lakhs rupees amount has been already credited in the passbook in the month of March only. Next, RAM 65,000. Have we got RAM here? No. That means check deposit for RAM, collected from RAM, deposited into bank, has been created in the passbook in the month of March only. Singhal, Goyal, Patil. Let us see. Singhal. We got Goyal. Singhal is not there. Goyal is there. Patil is there. Goyal 33,000. Patil 65,000. What do you mean by this? Checks deposited but not credited. Checks deposited but not credited before 31st March. I think that has been given. On scrutiny, the debit side of cash book of March and receipt side of passbook of April reveal that 2 checks deposited in bank Goyal Patil in March were not credited by the bank till 31st March 2017. This is called as list of causes. That means, I repeat once again, check received from Goyal and Patil 3365 on 25th March and 31st March. You don't have any entry. You got an entry of Goyal and Patil in the month of April. What do you mean by that? Deposit entry is appearing in cash book in the month of March, but deposit entry is appearing in the passbook in the month of April. Is it not a timing difference? That means you should take this as a list of costs. Okay, then now let us look at the payment side. Same concept. Cash account is a payment. 2 lakhs. It is not appearing. The payment made in cash will not appear in passbook. It is not a item to be taken to reconciliation. Modi is 60,000, Patil 30,000. Modi 60,000 is not appearing. Patil also not appearing. And Suresh 40,000, Ramesh 1 lakh 50. Suresh is also not there. Ramesh 1 lakh 50. What do you mean by that? The check issued to Suresh has already been presented for payment before 31st March. But check issued to Ramesh has not been so far presented for payment. How you'll be knowing, sir? Ramesh 1 lakh 50,000, no? It is appearing in the passbook in the month of April. That means March you have issued check to Ramesh. In March month you have issued check to Ramesh, but it has been presented for payment in the month of April. So 3 causes you are having. On scrutiny of the credit side of cash book and payment side of passbook reveals that check issued Ramesh for 1,50,000 March 17 had not been presented for payment in bank till 31st March 2017. Therefore, bank reconciliation statement will appear as follows. The first and second is called as causes. Once if you know the causes, you can do the problem. I told you can start the problem by taking cash book balance 3,13,000, or you can start with passbook balance. I am going by cash book balance 3,13,000. Solution also has been worked out like bank balance as per cash book. Now let us look at the first sentence. On scrutiny debit side of cash book and receipt side of passbook, 2 checks deposited in bank but not presented for payment. Checks deposited means cash book balance is showing more. Passbook is showing less. More to less, less. It is subtracted. How much is to be subtracted? 33,000 plus 65. Take the calculator if you want to, you can see 65 plus 33,000 is coming to 98,000. Then one check deposited, or one payment made to Mr. Ramesh for 1,50,000. He is still not presented for payment. Is not presented for payment before 31st March. Check issued to Ramesh, not presented for payment before 31st March. Then what happened? Cash book balance will be less, passbook balance will be more because there is no entry. So let's do more. It is to be added. This is bank balance as per passbook 3,65,000. You got the answer in the problem itself. You can see April month beginning balance 3,65,000. So today you learned when list of costs are not given, we can find out the list of costs first. Then you should go for BRS. And last one, I want to give you a few tips here for BRS. See, treatment of casting mistakes in BRS. Let us see. What is casting mistake? Casting mistake means addition mistake. So how it is going to affect? Let me see. We haven't had any problem, but just remember this. Debit side of cash book is overcast. Debit side of cash book is overcast means totaling mistake. Debit side total is more. Receipt side is more. Receipt side is more. Cash book balance will show more. Arrow mark up means more. And cash book is showing more. Passbook will be showing less. If it is OD as per cash book, OD as per passbook. When debit side of cash book is showing more, receipt side is showing more means OD will come down as per cash book. But OD as per passbook will be more. Casting mistake, you know, I told you one of my previous class. 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. It is like this 200. I written like 10,000. 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 200, it is coming to 8,200. But I have written on debit side as 10,000. So receipt side is more. Receipt side is more means cash book is more. If it is overdraft, receipt side is more, liability will come down. When one book is more, other book is less. You all are aware of it. This is called as debit side of cash book is overcast. Then the first one here favorable, this is favorable, this is OD. Then debit side of cash book is undercast, or it is called as understated. Undercast means receipt side is showing more, receipt side is showing less. Receipt side is showing less means cash book will be less balance, passbook balance will be more. Receipt side is showing less means overdraft will be more, overdraft as per passbook will be less. Simple. Debit side cash book like 5,000. I've written like 8,200. What happened? Receipt side is less. Cash book balance will be less. Okay, next one. Third point. Let me take to credit side. Credit side cash book is overcast. Payment side is showing more. It means payment side is showing more. Payment side is showing more. Cash book balance will be. Passbook balance will be more. OD, payment side is more. OD of cash book will be more. OD of passbook will be less. I think this you can get. Credit side of cash book is undercast. Undercast means shown less. Payment is less. Cash book is more. Passbook is less. Undercast means payment is less. Payment is less. OD will be less. Liability will be less. Passbook OD will be. I think this is what treatment of casting mistakes. Here I have told you. Casting means are called as totaling mistakes. So far we have seen casting mistakes. Problem starting with when preparing BRS, when list of costs are given without adjusting cash book, with adjusting cash book, and preparing BRS when list of costs are not given. We have seen without adjusting cash book, with adjusting cash book we haven't had any problem. We haven't had any problem anywhere. So keep on practicing. After completing this our charms material, be thorough with ICS study material. Maybe there one or two problems you may come across costing mistakes also. Okay, my dear friends, with this I am concluding. We will in the next class we will pick up one more new topic. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. God bless you.